All right, guys, this is 12 Days of Christmas, day 8. So we're giving you 12 gifts of health. And so everybody wants to be healthy. That's a common thread. And today we're going to talk about Ion, or it's called Ion Biome, which is a solution for leaky gut. And you might wonder, what's leaky gut? I'll explain that really quick. I've done about 3 videos on this. It's super, super important. So basically what happens is we get holes in the gut, and glyphosate, which is Roundup, and that's in, a lot of our genetically are made from a substance called tetrahydrite. I always say our God-given genetics are amazing. We just really screw them up in our toxic environment. So tetrahydrite actually comes from dirt. So this supplement is actually it's kind of dirt water. And so this is the supplement. It's called Ion Biome. These bottles are about 65 bucks. You can get them on Amazon. We sell them for a little cheaper here in the office because we have a wholesale account with them. And basically, we recommend that everybody takes this. So we line this up for everybody in the house to take some Ion, because when you go out to eat, it's not organic food. And a little side note, big side note is that's buying all organic or as much as you can. The case for that, in large part, is because of this situation where the chemicals in the food, the pesticides, herbicides, poke holes in the gut. But this can really help restore those junctions. So I'm going to show you some slides that are put together. The founder of this, his name is Zach Bush. He's an absolutely brilliant medical doctor, triple board certified researcher. He was a cancer researcher, and he came up with this to help seal those junctions up in the gut. So I'm going to show you how that works. So these are the junctions. Hopefully you can see that. I know the lighting isn't perfect, but so on the top, that's a normal human cell, and those green spots are the junctions. All right, and then so these are you want them to be tight. So on the next slide, number 2, is normal human cells with the addition of ion. So it really tightens everything up, you can see. So this is really important. So this is the cells exposed to glyphosate. So you see how there's huge junctions compared to the other ones between the cells. And so that's how these, when you look at like food allergies, people are allergic to gluten, they're allergic to all kinds of things now. This is how, one of the mechanisms that's driving that. And then so these cells, after Ion Biome or tetrahydrite, and you can see it fills those junctions back in. So really important stuff. It's a foundation. Every one of our functional health clients is on Ion Biome. I mean, that's a front line for us every single time. So the other thing that you can have is leaky sinuses. So a lot of people are on allergy meds and whatnot, and this can be a solution. I think we talked about it in the video before. It's just a nasal bottle, a nasal squirt bottle. I don't know what you call that. But it's the exact same substance. It's tetrahydrite and water. So when this thing runs out, you can just take this big bottle and pour it back in there. It's a nice, handy system. One of the keys to health at this point in our toxic environment. So, 12 Days of Christmas, that's your day number 8. It's your 8th health tip, and we'll see you tomorrow.